AI is moving faster than any technology in history. But the real power isn't the tech, it's the minds that use it. AI-augmented workers are poised to add trillions to the global economy. But here's the catch: the promise isn't automatic. Despite all the hype and heavy investment, productivity has stalled. Why? What's missing? Learning that keeps up with AI. Our research reveals a growing gap. Technology is accelerating, but people need support to match the pace. When learning catches up, AI's potential becomes reality. Through augmentation, not automation, not replacing people, but making them better at what they do. To keep pace, learning must move as fast as AI. That's why Pearson developed the Deep Learning Framework. Diagnose the work to guide smart augmentation. Embed learning in the flow of work. Evaluate what truly drives performance. And prioritize learning, not as a nice-to-have, but as an essential growth strategy. Because in the age of AI, the winners won't just adopt new tech. They'll build learning into their culture. They won't just keep up, they'll lead. Make learning your legacy. Mind the learning gap. Read the report to unlock AI's productivity promise.